Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. We are here for some new drip, honey. It's a wig and she is magic. And I have her in the color number 1. Yes, honey. Let's see what we working with and what's in this box. Okay, so this is her straight out of the pack. Gorgeous curls. I'm loving the curl pattern. That's very beautiful. Love it. That's really pretty. Here's our stock card, of course. Let's see what's inside the cap. So there's 2 combs up front. There's also a comb in the back. And then we also have adjustable straps. Not trying to flip you off. And it is a breathable cap inside. And then it is just a side part. So maybe put just a little bit of powder up there. Besides that, very simple. Very pretty. Let's try her on. Let's get her on the head and see what she's looking like. I'm loving that there is no lace to cut off, honey. Okay, so this is a very beginner-friendly wig. Yes, kind of put her on. Maybe do a little plucking on that part. Put some powder in there. And hey, honey, you out the door. Yes. She is very pretty. So here's the parting space right out of the pack. Like I said, you might need to do a little bit of plucking with that. Yes, she is gorgeous. Look how you just run your fingers through those curls. I am loving that. This is gorgeous. Looking for some quick hair, honey. Sweets, welcome back to my channel today. Yes, blessings to all my new subscribers. Blessing to the people who've been rocking with me for the beginning. For the people who are new, welcome, honey. Think about subscribing at the link below. Give this video some thumbs up and some likes, honey. Share this video with your friends, with your nay-nay, with your tay-tay, with your homeboy, homegirl, okay, honey? So that YouTube know that you want more videos like this. And let's get right into this video. All right, y'all, I don't know about y'all, but it's been a hard week. There's been so much stuff going on. It's been busy. Look, honey, this is what I'm about to get into right now. Have y'all seen this in the store? Okay, it's been a hard week, like I said. So a sister had to go get her some drink from the store. I was like, I said, it's been a hard week. I'm gonna need to go get me something because I need some stress reliever. Okay, I said, I swear, in the Rona, I am becoming a drunk. But I'm about to taste this. I'm like, this is new. I'm like, Girl, that tastes watered down like a motherfucker. I can, okay. We gonna set that right there. Okay, we gonna get into this wig. All right, so now let's get into this wig, honey. So today I have on It's a Wig, and she is called Magic. Yes, honey. I'm trying to get ready for the summer. Okay, I don't want all that hair hanging down my back. It's gonna be hot. Okay, I'm trying to get me some cute little sexy little short little dudes for the summer. So honey, I'm trying to get ready. Okay. Yes, and I'm trying to get on me some throw on hair and go. Okay, let's get into these specs. Okay, so of course she is synthetic. She is a curly pattern. She's short. It doesn't say how short she is, but I think maybe this ain't even a 10. This would be like maybe an 8 or a 6. Yeah, maybe. It doesn't say, but I'm estimating. And as you've seen, it has the combs up top, then it has a comb in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps. It does have a breathable thing, and it's not really mesh, but it's kind of open and breathable for you to get some airflow through there. It does not have an elastic band. It is heat resistant between 350 and 400 degrees. It is a right side part. Yes, honey. Which I love that because I love a right side part. There's no lace to cut off. Thank you, Jesus. Now, I did not go through and pluck the parting. I mean, it looked all right to me. If I wear her out, I might pluck her a little bit, but I did put some powder up in there. Like I said, no lace to cut off. Yes. Okay. No insert cap that they got in there that I gotta cut out. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Jesus. She comes in a lot of different colors, which I like. And so I just wanted to try one out to see if I was going to like her. But I think now I'm going to go back and get that purple because y'all know I love me some purple. So they do have a purple. But they have quite a bit of colors down here. I'm not going to go through all the colors, but you can see and go on their website. They have a good variety of colors for you to choose from. And like I say, honey, it's fire. It's cute, it's quick, easy, throw on, something beginner friendly, nothing for you to do, nothing to cut. I mean, come on now. It's slay your makeup, put your lashes on, put your jewelry on, and honey, let's go. Okay? Maybe a little powder up in there. That's about it. That's how I'm trying to be, okay, in the summer, okay? Thank God it's 2021. Stuff is opening up. Whoop, 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 whoop. But I ain't gonna have my black ass out too much. Still having my mask, my gloves, sanitizer, and everything else, okay? I swear that's leaving like a nasty taste in my mouth. Woo! Honey, if you thought about getting that, don't get that drink. That is watered down. I should have listened to the salesperson. That tastes very disgusting. I did not turn around for you guys, so I'm going to turn around right now. Just so you can see the back. Very cute, cute, cute. Yes, honey. Nice and short. Love it. Okay? I love it. It does also say that you can wash this one. It has some wash instructions on the back. It says, you know, detangle the hair before you wash it. Soak the wig with some mild conditioner and some soap. Gently swish it around. Pat it dry. Finger brush the hair so you can kind of keep those curls. And then let it dry naturally. And then use the blow dryer to diffuse it. Damn, am I drunk off of that shit? Girl. You can use them wide tooth combs. Yes, that would be best for this type of unit right here. Because you want to keep those curls and those bounce up in there. It's very layered, which I love. The layers are very pretty. You can see I'm just finger combing it. And it's just beautiful. I love it. This would be one of them good investment wigs. One of them good investment wigs that you can keep for a little while. You know, you can wash her, wear her. You know, after a couple times you may have to throw her away, but you can always get you a new one, honey. Okay? So this is really cute. All right, you guys, I was coming on here. I got some more videos coming for you guys. Like I said, I hope you enjoy Valentine's Day. I hope to see you back. Give this video some thumbs up and some likes. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought about this wig. And I'll see you next time. Bye.